Hello students, I am Ravi Kumar. Come with new topic. Today's topic is element of communication cycle. In earlier video, we discussed about the communication we do and also discussed about do's and don't in communication. In now this session, we discuss about the communication cycle and also elements. Standard definition of the communication is as a process of exchanging or sharing ideas, thought, feeling, information, etc. to among the peoples. Now one question is occur on your mind, that is the purpose and function of the communication. Let's learn. First one is social interaction. Communication is the way to interact to various person and communicate them and solve or gain the knowledges. Second is engage to business. Is business is dependent on communication. Through the communication you can share your product, your plans to others. The only communication is the way to increase or expand your business. Share information. Communication basic need for the sharing our information, thought, ideas. So definitely you can share with the help of the communication. Help to mobilize peoples. Mobilize peoples, that means who person is far away to your home or your position. With the help of the communication you help to very far stay persons. Now exchange values and cultures. We belongs to various types of the cultures, and every culture has some values. With the help of communication we can exchange. When you communicate to other person, they are interested for your value, your culture. You can share your thoughts, your ideas about your culture and your value, that means your rules and regulations. Now after this the communication, we need to, what is the benefit of communication? The first one is very important. Enhance your ability. Enhance, that means the increase. Communication increase your ability, it's polish your skill. Second is express yourself better. Through the communication you express your feelings to someone other. Only communication understand by other person easily. Develop trust and confidence. If you have the good communication skill, develop your self confidence and also trust. Trust, that means someone believe your build relationship. In relationship must be compulsory to communicate. Every relationship is based on the communication. So communication is main requirement for the maintaining or build a new relationship. Decision making. If you face any critical condition, with the help of communication you can solve your problem and do better. Enhance managing skill. In our life we will manage various things. With the help of communication it's make easy to managing our time, your task and problems. Boost morals. Moral is the feeling of our mind, our heart. If you have good communication skill, your moral is definitely come to higher. Increase one's value. If someone believe yourself, your moral is increase. That is increase your value on your society. After the benefit of communication, now comes to the characteristics of the communication. Dear students, characteristics means the quality of communication. So involve at least two people. In communication at least two people is compulsory for the sender and receiver. If nobody is your hear or listen, there is no communication. Communication must have message. If you communicate to someone else, you have must a message for the communication. Like the story, every story in of the story give a message. After the class, every teacher want to give you a message. In every communication have a one message is must be required. Without message your communication is useless. Communication may be oral, written and gesture. You have the three communication technique. So you use any type of the technique for your communication is according to your facilities. Two-way process communicated. If two-person is compulsory for the communication, it's so we also compulsory for the two-way of the communication. That means if you say something, wait for the next one, say your feedback, and day after feedback you can convey your message. That is the called a good communication skill. If you speak longer or continuously, that is a not good communication skill. Sometimes is irritate or depressed for the you. Next one is generate responses. Our communication have must be require responses after communication. After this class, I want to be the response for the you on the comment section. This is the responses. If you tell somebody else and not respond, okay, this is not good for you and also not to don't like. Formal and or informal communication is two types: formal or informal. Formal, this is officially like your offices, government and any types of company. Informal, your relations, your friends, that is informal. So according to your formal or informal, you use your techniques. Continuity. Your communication must be continuity. Like this chapter, these sessions, before the session you discuss about the communication, now the element, and next part is another, but this is a continuity. Your communication must be continuity, so continuity must be maintained. Internal part of process exchange. This is the also defined on the communication. Communication is the method to exchange your thought, ideas, and maintain on your maintain. This is your internal process of your body. Okay, students, this is the characteristics of the communication. Now, mainly elements of communication and the cycle. Communication cycle. Now your screen show this is the diagram of the communication cycle, or show the some important points for the communication parts. Now first one is sender. Sender, that means now this video I am the sender because I communicate to you. You are the receiver of the my communication or the messages or the knowledges. Next is messages. Messages is the important part of the your communication, as we will discuss about the characteristics. Encoding messages. In this board, messages in short form is MSG. Encoding messages, this is the receiver side. Receiver side make information with the use of the written video. This is the encoding, how to capture your messages under well form, that is called encoding. Communication channel. According to your encoding, you choose your the method, so the written, oral or the videos. Receiver, you are the receiver because you receive my videos, my knowledge, that is called receiver. Receiver is important for the communication. Two is important, sender and receiver. Decoding a message, again MSG, messages. Decoding is the receiver side. Whenever we receive a message and decode that means what you want to teach you and you exact learn, that is called decoding. Okay, next is communication. Communication, how to communication, in this video I am only telling you not, so don't worry, the comment section is open, you can comment. That is a two-way communication. After your comment I will definitely respond. Noise. That means some make the noise, okay, like the other types of the activities. Miscommunication. Somebody student not the friendly for this terms, this time is called miscommunication. So that miscommunication, you can comment on the any types of the terms you can't understand, I will definitely respond. Feedback. Feedback is very important. Feedback is the result of the your communication. After communication, if your front of the person is convinced or not, that is called the feedback. And after the video, I want to feedback for our students. and then this session exercise is come with your next video. Thank you. And also you can make the important notes about these chapters. Thank you for the watching.